In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to change logo in Framer website. By the end, you'll be able to swap out the default logo with your own in just a few clicks, and you'll know what to look for if the image doesn't appear the way you expect. First, have your logo file ready on your computer. An SVG is ideal because it stays crisp at any size, but a high-quality PNG with a transparent background also works great. Keep the file name simple, so it's easy to find during upload. With your project open in Framer, start by selecting the existing logo on your canvas. It's usually in the header area, and depending on your template, it may be an image inside a frame or part of a header component. If you don't see it right away, you can also pick it from the Layers panel on the left after clicking the header group. When the logo is selected, you'll see its settings appear in the right-hand Properties panel. Next, look for the Fill section in the Properties panel. In Framer, images are often applied as a fill on a layer or frame, and that's exactly what we're going to update. If your layer supports images, you'll see a small thumbnail or swatch there that shows the current logo image. Click that image thumbnail in the Fill section to open the image options. This reveals controls for the current asset and is where you'll point Framer to your new logo. It's the quickest way to swap images without rebuilding the header or changing your layout. Now, choose the option to select a new image. You'll see a prompt that lets you pick from your device or from any assets you've already uploaded. Select Choose Image to open your file browser. Finally, navigate to your logo file on your computer and select it. Framer will upload it and immediately replace the old logo in your design. Give it a second to process, and you should see the new graphic in place right away. After the swap, take a quick look at how the logo sits in the header. If it looks stretched or cropped, check the fit settings inside the same fill area. Options like fit or fill control how the image scales within its container, and a quick tweak there can dial in the perfect look. Also, zoom out to preview different screen sizes and confirm the logo remains clear and well spaced across breakpoints. That's all there is to it. You click the logo, opened the fill settings, selected the image, chose a new one, and confirmed the result. Your Framer site now reflects your brand with the updated logo.